Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal. I'm from team Rodongkoi. So our team is Hud, Akli, Hamizan and Haziq. Okay, in product selection, my team have 3 like keropok leko, air cocktail and roti titap. Keropok leko is delicious and unique taste, a combination of fresh feel, sago flour. Its squishy texture when boiled or crispy when fried is suitable for various tastes. Second, air cocktail, the perfect drink to enjoy in hot weather as a will refreshing and provide a soothing sensation to the body. With the variety of combination, air cocktail has become a trending beverage that is increasingly popular. Third, my product selection have a roti titap. The menu is unique and full nostalgia. This is because the menu has a classy and modern touch that's come from Kelantan. Thank you. Startup capital. The total capital that we have released is as much RM414.45, which has been divided among 5 members. Each person has realized a capital of RM82.89 to buy business product. We plan to sell product that save cost but make profit like keropok leko, air cocktail and bread ingredients.
Okay, let's see our material cost for each product. First of all, air cocktail. So air cocktail, the total cost that we need is 128.37 cents. So our supplier mostly from Cowboy, and there are some from BS Freshmart and Lorry Ice for ice. Okay, for our next product, keropok leko, the total cost that we need is RM152.10, which is our keropok leko we have from our supplier named Nurul Fadianda Muhammad Razali from Kemaman, and some of other item also we purchase from Cowboy and Pasaraya LYC. Other than that, for the roti titap, the total cost for we to sell it is RM41.70 and purchase from BS Freshmart and Cowboy. For our fourth and five product, roti koi, so the total cost for roti koi is RM24.99, purchase from Cowboy and BS Freshmart. And kopi ice, the total cost for we to sell it is RM30.29 that we purchase from BS Freshmart, Tunas Manja and Kedai Runcit for ice. And for last part, this is not our product but our operational expenditure, OPEX. So the total OPEX is RM37. For example, side rent, money changer, apron, so that is our OPEX. And the total cost for overall material cost including OPEX is RM440.45 for all product including operational expenditure.
Okay, I will brief about break-even point of our shop Rodongkoi. First, air cocktail RM128.37 per RM3 per cups. So we need to sell 43 of the products. Next, keropok leko RM152.10 per RM2 per set. We need to sell at least 77 set of keropok leko. Next, roti titap RM41.70 per RM2 per set. So we need to sell 21 set. Next, roti kuih, we RM24.99 per RM2 per set. So we need to sell at least 30 set of roti kuih. Lastly, kopi ice RM30.29 per RM2.50 per cup. So we need to sell 30 cup to get a break-even point of the product. So thank you.
So now I will present about business strategies. Number 1, use social media like WhatsApp, Telegram and Instagram to promote food to attach more customers. Number 2, free COD helps customer save on shipping costs and limit free COD to certain areas to control costs. Number 3, combo offer help to increase sale without compromising standard. Number 4, friendly and professional customer service increase certification with buying. Number 5, the best quality and quantities. And lastly, number 9, strategy location increase customer access and sales.
Okay, next I'm going to talk about cash book and cash flow. First, our production is air cocktail, quantity 20, unit price RM3, amount 16. And promotion, buy 2 get RM5, quantity 17, unit price RM5, amount 85. Next, Keropok Leko. Quantity 110, unit price RM2, amount 220. Next, Roti Titap. Quantity 11, unit price RM2, amount 22. Roti Koi, quantity 10, unit price RM2, amount 20. Roti Koi for promotion, buy 3 get RM5. Quantity 1, unit price 5, amount RM5. Kopi Ais, quantity 32, unit price RM20, amount 18. For combo, we got air cocktail, Keropok Leko, and Roti Titap or Roti Koi. Quantity 8, unit price 6, amount 48. And for the total, we got 514.
Okay, next I will present about profit and loss statement. Our total sale is RM540. Cost of goods sale is RM377.45. Our margin is RM160.55, and operational expenditure OPEX is RM37, and our net profit is RM125.55.
So now, I will present about risk and tolerance. Number 1 is weather factor affect business and heavy rain causes customer to decrease. Number 2 is lack of capital is the main challenge as student. We only depend on limit allowance and we choose product that cost low but profitable. Number 3 is poor time management is also a challenge and no task schedule cause chaos. Number 4 is a weak business plan can lead to fail. And lastly, number 5 is selling the same product increase competition. That's all for me.
Okay, last but not least, this business has successfully achieved its profit of 125.55 cents, proving that the strategy implement has effective. Our total sales revenue amount to 514, while the cost of goods sold was 414.45 cents. And that's for our business. Thank you.